Hey, babe, do you have that phone number? That's okay. Hey, I've got the file right here. Let me pull it up. Yeah, I've got it. No big deal. Oh, hey, my name is Matt Stafford. I'm the Senior Living Specialist. Sorry, you see the lights. You hear me talking to my wife. It's a family business that we do. We have done since 2018. Last year, we made $250,000. And I want to encourage you to look into this business so you can do the exact same thing. Click the webinar. Listen to it. It's free, obviously. You can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with myself. And I want to get right into it in just a few minutes and tell you more about the business, how flexible your schedule can be, how lucrative it can be for you and your family. And the best part of it all is how many people you can help. Let's get down to it. Okay, the Senior Living Referral business. Hey, you heard me talk to my wife about a certain file. I was looking for a number, a client that we're calling, we're following up on. This business, you guys, is an incredible business. I mean, the Senior Living Referral business, it's an opportunity for you to help seniors at no cost, no obligation. It's a complete free service for them and their family. It's incredible. The business model is the best that's out there, I believe. And you get to make a great amount of money for you and your family. And so I want to go into the Senior Living Referral business and how you do this in this video. So stay with me. Hey, what if I would tell you that if you give me $2,995, within 30 to 60 days, I'm going to teach you how to get $3,000 back in return and then more coming thereafter. Does that sound like a great deal to you? Sounds like a fantastic deal to myself. Again, my name is Matt Stafford. I'm the founder of the Senior Referral Academy. You can click the link below and listen to the free webinar. Essentially, what happens is in this industry, you guys, you are getting a lead and giving that lead over to what we call an RCFE. And then when that person moves in, you get money for that. And typically the price and the return on that move in is $3,000. I teach students across the United States how to have a six-figure income working out of their house, doing this very formula, operating this business model day in and day out. And it's something I do. It's not something I just teach in theory. It's something I actually practice on a daily basis. I love it because we get to help out a lot of seniors. I see myself more as an advocate for seniors than I do as a referral agency anyway, but nevertheless, this is the kind of money that you will generate. I don't know if you realize this or not, but there's 47 million seniors in the United States, and they estimate in the next couple of decades there's going to be over 70 million seniors. That's a lot of people that are needing assistance. My mom and dad are in that case right now. They're going to need assistance in the next couple of years. Maybe your parents are as well. I've got people in our academy that got into the academy because of that very thing, because their mom and dad needed assistance and they wanted to learn. It's $29.95. It's essentially a fraction of what it would cost to get into a franchise. And I teach you every step, every aspect of the business, from lead generation all the way to how to conduct a tour and a move in and all the rest, documentation, you name it. You learn it in the academy. You can click the link below, listen to the free webinar, and learn about this industry and how I got started. I got started with no money, no contacts. I mean, it's an amazing opportunity for us and our family. Within the first year, we generated over $250,000, and I know you can do the exact same thing. As long as you have a strong work ethic, as long as you believe in yourself, as long as you genuinely want to help people, you can do great in this industry. Don't sit back and wonder, gosh, is this for real? It is for real. My name is Matt Stafford. You can look me up. I mean, I got a couple different websites. Stafford Senior Solutions, you see the sign behind me. That's my company. You can look that business up, or mattstafford200.com. That's my personal website. I would love to help you out and get you started in this academy. Click the link below and listen to the webinar. And also, when you finish watching the webinar, schedule the 15-minute consultation with me. All you got to do is schedule the time that works best for you. I'll get an email on my end, and I'll be ready and prompt, and I'll call you, and I'll be able to assist you in any questions you have. If the $2,995 is too much for you, I've been there, done that. Man, I understand when that is just too much money, and it really is for a lot of people. But the value is there in this academy, where you realize the first move in that you're going to have is going to generate about $3,000 for you and your family. The price is right. And I don't mean that in a way. I used to watch that show back in the day, but the price is right. But understand, maybe you can't make all that at one time. We schedule 4 easy payments for you. You can click that as well. I just want you in the academy to learn. It's not an academy that I wrote and designed and I shot all the videos. We put all the modules together, and that's all we ever done to touch that academy. Every month I'm adding a master class. How to get a paying client in 7 days, how to establish a personalized business plan, and all the rest. We constantly add information because I want it to be current. I want it to be something that's relevant for you today, not to just what happened last night and last month, but what's going to happen tomorrow and into the future. And I believe it's a benefit of me operating this business 7 days a week because I'm able to bring fresh information, fresh data that's going to help you. You can ask my students that are in the academy. A lot of them reach out to me via text. We have a private Facebook group and all the rest, and they're able to reach out to me, and I'm giving them advice. I'm coaching them along. I would love to coach you. I would love, you might be a single parent right now. You might be in between jobs. It might even require you getting a loan to come up with the $2,995. There's so much material in this academy. I cannot begin to describe it all. I wish I could show everyone the academy, but I just can't because I need people into the industry that's going to genuinely help seniors. And that takes a level of commitment right out of the gate. And I fully understand that. It's all about time and money. That's how we express commitment, right? We're going to devote our time and we're going to devote our resources. And I want to encourage you to do the same thing right now. Devote your time by watching the webinar, scheduling the free 15-minute consultation, but also devoting money to get into a business that will revolutionize your financial account. So it'll just your bank account will be on an upward trend, and I would love that. I would love to hear testimonies of where someone, where they were financially not doing as great. And I've been there. I'm not talking down because I've been exactly where the place I'm talking, but get to the place where you want to be. So I encourage you, and I look forward to having you in the academy, and I can't wait to coach you and hear about your success.